just removed the exhaust system here from the resonator back. This big, ugly, huge resonator here is what we're planning to get rid of. We've purchased a Steeda H pipe to go in its place. So the H pipe is basically a straight pipe, straight through on both sides. Only there's a link in the middle, hence why it's called H pipe, because it looks like a H. Now the idea behind the H pipe is for exhaust scavenge, which gives the car a much deeper note. Some people go with an X pipe, which basically sort of goes in a shape of an X, and it gives the car a more raspy sound. I personally prefer the deeper muscle car sound, because that's what a Mustang is in my opinion. So there we go, here's the standard exhaust. Can't wait to see what it sounds like with the H pipe. While I have this off, I'll clean it up and give it a paint, because it's covered in 5 years of tar and muck and doesn't look very appealing. Underneath the car looks in pretty beautiful condition. You can see my calipers there that I've done in gold. Just needs a small clean up where the exhausts sit. So there we go. Morning guys, just about to fit the H pipe. I have two helpers here. They have their safety goggles because we're going to be getting the angle grinder out. We have the H pipe lined up here, and we have put some masking tape on where we need to cut. So beautiful neat cuts with the angle grinder. Followed the line of the masking tape to get the cuts done straight, and then I cleaned up the edge just with a file to make sure there's no sharp. We have the H pipe in place. We have it so that the pipes, two pipes join pretty much directly in the middle of the clamp. So I just put a little bead of Sharpie marker around each end, just so when I'm putting it on the car I know that it's lining up properly.